You know, ever since my article came out about the great shred of 2022, the fact that the IRS shredded 30 million tax documents, my phone has been ringing off the hook with people wondering if they've been victimized by the great shred. The answer is we don't know yet. What we do know is what they shredded and what they didn't shred. People are concerned about their tax returns being shredded. The IRS did not shred tax returns, they didn't shred incoming correspondence, and they did not shred incoming checks. So if you're worried about those things being destroyed, as far as we know, none of that stuff was destroyed. The IRS did destroy information returns. These are W-2s and 1099s that were filed by third parties. W-2s report the income earned by a wage earner. 1099s report the income earned by self-employed people. That's where the problems may come from. Now the question is, what do you do about it? If you're a W-2 wage earner, your wages are reported to the IRS on Form W-2, and you claimed that wage withholding as a credit on your tax return. Now, if your W-2 got shredded, your tax return may show more wage withholding than the IRS's records show. In that case, you're going to get a notice from the IRS saying you overstated your wage withholding. It's a CP 2000. You have to respond in writing to that notice and explain that you had wage withholding based on your W-2 form. Send a copy of your W-2, make it perfectly clear that the withholding claimed on your return is accurate. If you're a small business owner, the IRS may send you a notice accusing you of failing to file 1099 forms or W-2s. Remember, they shredded the information returns that were filed by businesses. If you get such a notice, you need to understand that every single penalty provision of the tax code can be canceled based on good faith and reasonable cause. And more importantly, penalties must be canceled when they're attributable to an IRS error. Most certainly, shredding 30 million documents, friends, is an IRS error. You need to understand that you have the burden of proof. You have to respond in writing. Now, my book, The IRS Problem Solver, has got a chapter in it that shows you exactly how to deal with the problem of an accusation that you failed to file a document you know you filed. And then my book, Dan Pillo's Small Business Tax Guide, has a chapter in it that shows you exactly how to deal with all the penalties that a small business person could face. You need to get that material. You need to have it available to you now in light of the great shred of 2022.